What's up, guys? In preparation for my trip to Iceland, I decided to get wireless remote for the Sony A7iv camera. The wireless is JJC, Bluetooth wireless. That's the box. That's the model. That's the back of the box. So let's set it up. Obviously, switch on the camera. Press the menu. Make sure the airplane mode is off. Now go to the green menu on your Sony camera. Next, go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth function needs to be on. Next, we will switch on the remote, which is here. After that, go to pairing. Now the camera is looking for new Bluetooth devices. To pair the remote to your camera, you need to press the T button and the shutter button at the same time and hold it. Now we can see the camera has detected the remote. Press OK. Now we can see the Bluetooth is paired. Okay. Next, go back to the green menu, enter the remote submenu. Bluetooth remote control needs to be on. That's about it. Now let's test it. Okay, photo mode. And let's test the video mode. We can see the indication that the camera is recording video. Let's do that again. Okay, that's about it. This is how I'm going to take pictures of myself in Iceland. Bye.